Hi guys, welcome to my Glow Like a Goddess pre-festive glow face yoga video. Because during the festivities we tend to have a lot of under eye puffiness and water retention, we are going to start by icing our face or using an ice roller to depuff our under eye. Simply place a chilled ice roller under the eye, lift and drain. Start by lifting and depuffing your cheeks, jaw. During the festivities, our skin tends to get extremely dehydrated, so it's a good idea to actually use a toner or a face mist which is going to nourish our face before icing your face as well. Once you've done this, I want you to take some face oil as usual. Take a few drops of this face oil. Activate the ingredients and start by a slapping transfer or a tapping transfer. The slapping or the tapping method is extremely effective because it sends in signals to the brain to send repair cells. So if you have uneven skin tone, pigmentation, melasma, acne, this is something you could definitely do. Take your face oil and start slapping from your nasolabial all the way to your cheeks like this. Do this for the count of 6. Now 2 fingers, I'm going to further tap in circular motions around the eyes like this. Again till the count of 6. Massage your temporalis and perform the Vibhuti drain all the way till your collarbone. Once you've done that, I want you to take your index finger and your thumb, press your eyebrows, pinching it to give yourselves an eyebrow lift. This is going to ensure that our eyebrow arch is enhanced and our eye makeup looks even better. Once we've done this, I want you to take your fingers, press above your eyebrows and perform a firm circular massage all over your forehead like this. This exercise is a special exercise by me and I like to call it the Fro Circa. This is going to ensure that your tired forehead does not look so tired, looks shiny and bright, and also any stress lines or brow lines are diminished. Once you've done that, we're now going to give yourself a perfect pouty pout massage because we all want our festive lipsticks to look better, right? We're going to enhance our lip line. Take your index finger, place your middle finger on top of it for additional pressure and massage along the lip line like this with firm pressure. This massage is not only going to ensure that your lip line is enhanced and you naturally get a little plumpness onto your lips, but since winter is approaching, it's also going to take care of any dryness or chapping lips. Let's move on. Before you apply your blusher, I'm sure all of you want those sculpted high cheekbones. Take your index finger, place it along your nostrils and perform the hook sculpt like this 6 to 8 times. Once we've done this, I want you to hold the fish face, make a fist of your hands like this and lift and sculpt. This exercise is great for cheek sculpting, also for droopy jowl lifts. Last but not the least, I want you to do a jaw claw. Bend your index fingers like this and sculpt all the way along your jaw. This is a similar technique that we perform with the gua sha as well. Repeat on the other side. And you're done. Last but not the least, let's end our Glow Like a Goddess ritual with a pure 24K face mask. Because we all know the antibacterial properties and glow properties that gold has. While we love to wear it in our jewels, let's wear it onto our face, giving ourselves a face mask too. And that sums up our Glow Like a Goddess face masking ritual. I hope you enjoy it.